to my channel. It is your girl Jay Lee. I want to thank you for joining. If you have not yet subscribed, please go down below. Today I'm going to be coming to you with some liquid, I guess they're infallible paints, lipsticks by L'Oreal. I picked up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them, and they were about $4 because they were on clearance. And I am going to be testing each one of them out for you guys. My lips are probably going to go to the pits, but I'm going to test them out, show you how they are, how they wear, if they're pigment, if they're patchy, stuff like that. So without further ado, let's jump right in. The first one that I'm going to do is the L'Oreal Infallible Paints. It's 304 and it is in the color Bewitched. This is like a purple burgundy, I guess, color. Yeah, it's like a purplish burgundy. I will say it do smell good. It is smooth going on. This one is not a mattifying one. So it actually does actually feel really good on the lip. I will say you got to put more than one layer on. It is a little greasy. So to me that feels like it will come off very easy. It's okay. I do like the color and the pigmentation of it. So let's go ahead and jump into the next one. Okay, the next one I'm going to do is 308. And this one as well is not matte, and it is in the color navy. Oh, now this navy is real navy. I actually like this, even though I would have to line my lips because I would not be able to wear this without a lip liner and eyeshadow and stuff like that. But I actually do like it. And again, it is greasy. It's like I like the color and the pigmentation of them, but they are really, really greasy. And I feel like, yeah, they're going to come off on anything and everything. And I feel like if I eat or drink something, it's a wrap. They're just gone. So let me try the next one. Next, we are going to do 326, which is Sangria, sultry Sangria. It's more of a lighter purple and rose color. So let's do this one. Okay, now this one I actually do like. Yeah, my lips are on fire and I'm only at number 3. But I do like this one. It actually smells good. It smells like bubblegum. I think they all smell the same. Like they all have the same exact scent. They taste okay too. Just in case, because they come off. I lied, they don't. It has like that medicine like aftertaste, nasty gum, old gum taste. But I like this one or whatever. It's nice. It's pretty. It's the shade that I always wear when I wear something. But again, I feel like it'll come off. So, I don't know. But I really feel like they make my lips look really, really plump. And again, yeah, this one's going to come off on everything. If I kiss somebody at church, it's coming off. So let me go ahead and take this off and go to the... So next we're going to try the L'Oreal Infallible Mattes. And as you can tell, I really did pay $4 for things. I'm from Walmart. This one is Velvet. And it's $3.48. This one I don't think I could wear it by itself. I would probably have to put this as a topper in my center lip. Yeah. This one would not be my shade, but I could put it to do a nice ombre lip right in the center. But I doubt this is going to be something that I can even remotely wear with a lip liner, just because it's so light. Like, it's too light for me. But onward marching. And I will say one more thing. This is not... They're a little tacky, but it doesn't transfer like the non-matte and lip gloss type one. And it's not extra drying. It is drying down, but it's not so dry that it's just drying my lips off. Okay, so next we're going in with Cinnabon 350, and it is a liquid. It's the Infallible Paint Matte as well. This one is more of a brown. It's actually really smooth to be a matte. I'm not even going to lie. I actually like the matte ones better than I like the lip glosses. And that's just me personally. But yeah. This one is really nice. I actually will be keeping this one. I know I'm going to keep this one. The other ones I'm not too sure about, just because they transfer. This one does transfer a little bit more than this one does, but it's still not bad. And plus, I didn't let this one dry down yet, so yeah, it's starting to get tacky now. But tell me which one down below you really liked. If you've ever used them before. If you got it, you liked it. If you got it, you didn't. Comment down below. Let your girl know what you thought. And since you're here, check out another video. And if you're ready to subscribe to see if you liked what we had on this channel, click the button. Click the button so you can know when I upload. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks. Bye.